Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we're gonna see how to fix WhatsApp status problem. Yes, we can solve the WhatsApp status problem by using simple steps. First of all, go to WhatsApp. In this, you can see the status right now. It's right now nothing is available in it. Now I'm going to click a three dot icon in the topmost right corner. Click it and go to setting option. In these you can see chats are there. Click the chats and you can see the last option, chat history, is there, and before that chat backup is there. Click it, chat backup, and you want to click a backup option right now. Yes, it's now backing up. The time is 11 a.m. and go back. After that, go to settings option. In this, slightly scroll down and go to apps. This one, go to apps. Here managing apps is there, the second option. Click it. Is having, click it, and you want to clear data right now. Yes, clear all data or clear cache. Click OK. Yes, clear cache is finished right now. So once again click and click delete all data. Yes, now go back to home and open WhatsApp. You want to install newly, go to agree and continue and give your number. Click next. Click OK. And I'm going for getting the number. Click and put this number. Yes, it's open right now. And it's asking the backup phone restore. Click restore. As it's restored successfully, click next and give your number name. And it's asked for a driver backup. Click never. Click, and you can see all the messages are restored, and in the status option you can see the status is here right now. So this is how to fix WhatsApp status problem. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.